Sobrang busy namin nung nakaraan na Toycon. Hindi kami nakaikot at hindi kami nakabili. Buti na lang, nakahabol pa kami dito. These are from Rin Barrera and Vinyl and Vinyl, tsaka si Mind Style, no? So kung naalala niyo yung collection natin before, ayan, these are actually the collection of my wife. And dadagdagan natin tong dalawa. Bubuksan natin at ipapakita namin sa inyo yung pinaka-tangi-tangi naming haul during the con. So this one is called Sleepyhead kasi nakapikit siya, no? And this is by Rin Barrera, as mentioned. And this is the figure inside. Ayan. Ganda, oh. Actually, this is made of vinyl. Lahat to. So, mukha siyang tela, no? Pero, is actually made of vinyl. Ganda na to. And, is actually signed by Rin Barrera, 2024. That's his signature. Ayan siya. So, actually, yung kwento nito, nakakuha kami ng figure na to during Toycon. Pero hindi na kami nakapagpapirma kasi sobrang haba ng pila ni Rin. Ang daming gustong magpapirma. So, buti na lang yung pinsan ko, si Ron, he was generous enough to help us na ipasign yung mga figures na to. So, eto, yan na siya. Na signature na siya. Nalagyan na siya ng signature ni Rin. And the other figure is this one. This is called Chromie. Is it Chromie? No? Chromie kasi black and ano lang siya. Grayscale yung color niya. So let's open this. Yun. Here's the figure. Ang ganda, no? Taas natin para sa ilaw. Ayan. Here's the figure. Ang ganda, no? And it's actually signed as well by Rin, 2024. Ito rin, may signature. And there's a number 165 here. Ito, numbered edition. I don't know. But, ayan na sila. Yung last video na ginawa namin, may mga nag-comment na medyo, ano siya, what's the term? Creepy. Pero it grows on you eh. Pero admittedly, actually the first feeling is medyo kakaiba nga siya. Pero it grows on you. And ngayon talaga kami, gustong-gusto na namin yung figure ni Rin. Kasi medyo unusual nga siya. And it's something that we really like so much. Ito na yung mga figure niyan. Kompleto na namin to. 7 na sila. Ayan. So, pag may release uli, kukunin natin yung bagong figure. Ayan. So, thank you so much dun sa pinsan ko, my cousin, si Ron, for helping us acquire the signature or the signed figures for for the release, no? And also, yung pinsan kong yun, si Ron, napaka-generous kasi he actually gave us this one. Dalawang Funko Pop. This one is For Eyes and the other one is Love. Tapos, ang nakakatuwa pa dito, this is limited to 500 pieces. No? Hindi naman ako maalam sa Funko, pero when you say 500 pieces, no? So, ito yung limited na to, di ba? Nakakatuwa. So, it's also signed by Rin. Tapos, meron rin doodle dito sa gilid. Nakakatuwa. Thank you so much for this, Ron. Natutuwa kami. And ito rin, may doodle rin sa gilid, no? Nakakatuwa. And what are the connection of all this, no? We're so happy with Rin's artwork that we reached out to Rin last year Toycon, Christmas Bazaar Toycon. And lumapit kami. Sabi ko, oy, hopefully we can do a project sometime soon, no? So, this is one of the projects that we are working on. And this is the biggest project to date for this year. And isa si Rin sa artists na makakasama. Teka, lipat natin siya. So, ito yung artwork ni Rin. What you can see now are the work of 55 Filipino artists. Ayan. And one of the kings, King of Diamonds, si Rin Barrera. And again, it's one of the biggest projects namin for this year. And we'll share with you the details once we get closer to the event launch, okay? Yun lang.